Today, we will be doing a ProfitBotz review and demo walkthrough. ProfitBotz is a brand new cloud-based software that provides your own personal Facebook autoresponder and done-for-you traffic machine. ProfitBotz allows anyone to get unlimited free traffic and affiliate payments by marketing directly to customers' phones. Just take a look at the sort of results we're able to generate, all at the touch of a button when using ProfitBotz. Before we get started with the ProfitBotz review, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the ProfitBotz review and demo walkthrough.
Connecting your ProfitBotz account is as easy as logging in with your Facebook account, and then that's it. If we quickly look over the test page I made right here, we can see all there is to know about it, including a test I made with ProfitBotz. Now, let's quickly go through all of the amazing features of this app. You can integrate any social media account you want, so you can directly upload onto your Facebook page. You can integrate any email autoresponder that you're using and even any SMS API or email API. So you can have full control over your own Facebook account and your subscribers. Here, you can manage all of the comments that are made on your posts, so you can put in different keywords and replies that will automatically be done by ProfitBotz. You can manage all of your subscribers right here. Currently, we don't have any subscribers, and you can message them, you can extract their email from their account, so you can start mailing them, messaging them, doing anything you want, having full control over your own subscribers. Here we have the live chat, which is mostly going to be handled by our bot. So our bot is going to be talking with your client, with your subscribers, using texts that you're going to be creating. And if they need a human agent, they can say, I need a human agent, and you're going to be getting a message directly into ProfitBotz that one of your subscribers is looking for human interaction. Here is where the magic happens. So we can create our own bot exactly like we want. So we can create a flow with our drag and drop flow builder right here. So whenever someone subscribes to our page, for example, we can send them a text, and then directly afterwards, if we're going to wait for a reply, we can send them an action button, and then we can continue so on and so forth until we create the perfect conversation that we want our bot to have with our client. You can manage this however you want. You can edit this flow to make sure your page is as customized and as personalized as possible. And of course, we can mess around with the keywords that your bot is going to be looking for. You can set up different welcome messages and icebreakers to get a almost human conversation going with your subscribers. You can mess around with different general settings, including with your own API integrations, so you can add the emails of your subscribers directly into your apps. Of course, action button settings if you want to create different objectives for them to reach, and so much more to make sure your clients have a quality time on your account. Then we can have broadcasting to directly broadcast a message to all of your subscribers on Facebook. And then of course, we can do different posts for our Facebook account. So let's just quickly do a text post. You can see I've already done one, but let's do another one. So right here, I'm not going to go with anything too complicated, so we can see how it's going to look right here. And we can already type it. So I'm going to select my page here. I'm going to say, welcome to ProfitBotz. And we can see how it's going to look. We can give it a name, welcome. And then of course we can set a different time for it, however we need. And I'm just going to click on submit. And then you can see it has been done almost instantly. And if we go to our page right now and reload here, done. We can see it has been published and it is ready to be interacted with by your subscribers. Now, of course, these posts can have links, images, videos, you can do carousels, you can do so much more with ProfitBotz. And lastly, you can even compare your website with the competitors to know exactly what needs to be done to improve your engagement and give you the perfect edge you need to have over your competitors. So for example, if we're going to compare TikTok with Twitter, we can see all of the shares, reactions, and comments these two websites are getting on a daily basis. This is an extremely good example of how you can get the edge over your competitor. For example, you were the owner of TikTok. ProfitBotz allows you to handle your page on autopilot by setting our bot one time and then letting it do its job forever. Thank you so much for checking out this demo, and I can't wait to see you inside.
Thank you for watching this ProfitBotz review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about ProfitBotz, click the link in the description below.